What's up, everybody? This is the well, if you guys ever heard of these power sockets by Ingersoll, these will definitely help out remove this guy right here, crankshaft pulley. This one's on a 2002 Honda CR-V. So I never took this out. This is the first time I'm doing this timing chain job. I need to remove this guy. It is a pain in the butt. Usually you have a special tool and another 19mm socket just to remove it, which also can be a pain in the ass. But ever since they came out with this thing, I haven't tried this before. I watched some videos and I see it, you know, taking it off with no problems. So I'm gonna try it out myself. This one's my brother let me borrow it. Actually using it on an M18 Milwaukee right here. What's the voltage on this guy? 5 amp hours. Yeah, this is an 18 volt. Right there. Oh yeah. M18. Alright, let's go ahead and give it a try. Let's see if this guy ripped this. I'm gonna do this one hand since I'm holding the camera. I don't know how that socket works, so maybe one of you guys could explain it to me in the comments. Alright, let's see. Here we go. Oh shit. Okay. No problem. Wow. I really wish I had one of these things back in the days, rather than using a giant breaker bar, aka pipe, a long ass pipe, just to remove this guy out right here. Wow, that was pretty quick. Definitely saved time on a job. And I guess these, I don't know, I think they're going for like 50 bucks or something, but I'll have a link at the bottom, so if you guys are interested, go ahead and try it out. It's definitely a plus for the your two area. Definitely come in handy. Like I say, guys, I don't know how it works, how this thing works right here. If you guys happen to know how it works, somehow it's supposed to add like 50% more torque. So, and I don't understand the science behind it. Maybe on their website one of these days I check it out. But if you happen to know it, let me know.